Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing a breakfast. It's Asian pork sausage, super good, super chunky, nice flavor. Gonna do some eggs and then put it all over rice. Let's check it out. As far as the white rice, I'm just cooking it in my rice cooker. I put some anise oil, pepper, salt, and a bunch of crushed red pepper flakes because I want to put a little stank on it. Alright, these are the sausages out of Mekong Fresh Meats Inc. from Menominee, Wisconsin, I believe. Oh, Mosinee, Wisconsin, sorry. But yeah, these are the pork ginger sausages. A buddy of mine at work gets these from an Asian market that he goes to, and they're just phenomenal. Yeah, way up there, almost 500 degrees. Just kicked it up because they've been slow cooking for about 30 minutes. A nice bed of onions and rice. Time to cut up this sausage. Oh, it smells so good. Look at that, nice thick chunks of fat and skin and flavorings. Time to add some sausages all cut up on there. See that steam coming off them. A little green onion, just to make her fancy. Pow. Asian style sausage, breakfast over rice. Get yourself a little bit of egg, some onion and green onion, some rice, and some sausage. It's a good bite right there. Oh man, that's good. Now this already has a really good flavor, but you know it's going to be bomb if I just throw a little bit of hoisin and some sriracha up on there. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get another bite up in here. Got some egg, got some rice, got an onion with that sausage right there. Hoisin and sriracha on there. Oh yeah. Oh my god, that is fire. All right, this one was a ton of fun to cook and just delicious. Even just the rice alone with that anise, the anise oil, salt, pepper, crushed red pepper flakes, a little bit of heat to it. But that sausage is the star of the show. Green onion and hoisin and sriracha just really pulls this thing together. And isn't that beautiful with that green in there? I know some of you guys are thinking like, who wants spicy food for breakfast? I know it's not traditional as far as in the United States here, but it's such a good breakfast. Man, that was fun. Super good. Highly recommend you guys try that. And if you wind up getting in Wisconsin sometime, even though I live in Minnesota, new Glarus Spotted Cow, delicious. Definitely give her a whirl.